Instructions for Victoria in respect of set out of the pool. So we're looking at a 6 metre sanctuary with bench seat on this side on a suspended slab beyond this deck. So at this stage we would have it such that whichever end the steps are at, actually no, we just centre it at this stage, and have it at the same level as the deck or 40 millimetres below. Just show this deck continuing to the water's edge of the pool all the way around the pool. And as I say, the deck will be on a suspended slab through here. I'd like you to do two scenarios. One where the water's edge of the deck is essentially 200 millimetres from the face of the edge of the deck here, only 200 millimetres. And then the next we would be say 600 millimetres with it 2 steps down. So the next version, so 2 versions, one with the pool just centred at the same level, 200 millimetres beyond this edge to the water's edge, and the next one would be 2,000 millimetres from the edge, but 3 steps down, and the 3 steps down would be just 3 steps down at the end where there's access to the pool, and we might even from that access end push the pool so that it's 200 millimetres from the deck here, 200 millimetres from the end, and showing a 200 millimetre coping paver, coping board over the edges where we don't have deck. So as I say, sorry to be confusing, on the second option, have the pool water's edge at 2 metres from here. If it's sanctuary with a bench seat, whichever end has the steps, just push that end, push the pool from that end to the edge, and at the edge we'd have 200 mil away from this edge and whatever distance it will be at the other end, and then steps down to that end. But along here would be our 2 metre zone, okay, and those steps down would be maybe a metre wide, yeah. So then the outside edge, we just show a 200 millimetre decking board over the edge of the pool, which continues around this side, and have the decking running in the same way as this decking runs. Yeah, that's all for now. So those 2 scenarios. And then the customer wants a couple of perspectives on the pool, one from where this chap Stephen's standing over there from the garden path, and then one looking up through the garden back to here. So hopefully I'll have some video or some survey points down there in relation to that. Thanks.